Hey guys, this is Rui and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is desiccated coconut. We can prepare this desiccated coconut at home very easily. We can use it as a topping, coating or for decorating cakes, biscuits, chocolates and much more. We can also sprinkle it on vegetable stir fry too. And also we can store this in airtight container for 6 months. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Here I have taken a coconut and break it into two. Now separate this coconut from the shell. Now just peel off this brown part of the coconut with the help of a peeler. Make sure there should not be any moist in this coconut. When we wash this coconut, remove the extra moist with the help of a towel. Now take a mixture jar without any moist and cut this coconut into small pieces. We should not add any water to this coconut. Now grind this into fine powder. You can see the texture of this coconut, how it looks. Now take a heavy bottom pan and add this grated coconut. We should fry this coconut in a low flame. But in the meanwhile, we can adjust from medium to low flame. Saute till it is dry and no moist content is left. It took 12 to 15 minutes for me to dry roast this coconut. Slowly it loses its moisture. And after 12 minutes you can see here this is completely dry and this is perfect. Now switch off the flame and transfer it in another bowl and let it cool down completely. And that's it, simple and easy desiccated coconut is ready. Try this recipe once and please post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and families. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.